Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody with BasecampTrading.com. Just want to make a quick video to go over NVIDIA here on the daily chart. So today we are triggering a bull flag pattern. We had a lower high yesterday with a higher high today. So we are triggering a daily bull flag. The next resistance I'm watching is up near the $214 area. Is the next swing high. If we keep moving higher in NVIDIA, and then above that, the next swing high up in the 232.28 area would be the next two pivots that I'm watching. So watch for NVIDIA to move higher, potentially next week. We have some bullish momentum here, getting back above the 50-day EMA and triggering that bull flag. So see if we hit that target next week, and then maybe see if we keep going from there. If you like this kind of content, you can check out our trading rooms. We do offer a $7 1-month access, and you can email support@basecamptrading.com if you would like to check that out. But thank you, and have a nice day.